Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this kind of party look slash Arabic kind of look, and as you see I've used a lot of pinks, I've used a lot of glitter, and it's kind of like a catty kind of look. I also I also put on used sellotape on the side so I can do this better. I'm just going to kind of zoom in a bit, focus so you can see the look better. It was actually really easy to create. I did use 3 palettes, and I'm going to go through which palettes I used. As always, I always set my eyes with the same products, you all know. I don't really change the products about, but I will go through them. I've used L'Oreal Pomade in Brunette for my eyebrows. I've set my eyes with Maybelline Under Eye Eraser in shade 02 Nude, and set it with Sheer Translucent Powder by the brand Collection. So the first palette I'm going to use is the Modern Renaissance. It's only one shade I use from here, and that shade, no, I used 2, sorry, and that's one Fresco, that shade, and this one which is called Love Letter. So I'm going to pick up my Spectrum A08 brush. I'm going to pick up one Fresco and I'm going to put it into my crease. I'm going to go above because obviously with lashes I want this shade to show. I'm just kind of corner it off like that, as I always do, because that kind of helps me with my guideline. I didn't put sellotape on straight through, I only put sellotape on when I'm going to go in with the black, because obviously black from the shadow box is super pigmented, and if that just went out of place it would have been a disaster waiting to happen. Now I'm picking up the Spectrum pencil brush in A12 and I'm picking up Love Letter, and I'm going to place that. I use this brush because I place it where I want it and then kind of work with it. So I want to place that just under that. I'm going to kind of work with it and drag it up kind of with this brush before going in with the blending brush, because I feel like if I go with the blending brush it kind of moves the product all out of place. So I want to kind of set it so when I do go in with the blending brush it will blend it but also kind of keep it in place. Just like that. Now I'm going to go in with the Tenix Deluxe brush and just kind of just buff it out a bit, just like that. I will need this palette again when I'm just going to take a bit of sellotape. Guys, when you put on sellotape, do not ever put the sellotape straight to your eyes, because I've done that before and it's basically irritated my eye. So just go like that. Because I've got powder, it's not going to stick the best, but it's fine. I'd rather it be like that. I'm going to take more of that Love Letter. See? And just place it in the corner and drag it down underneath in my eye like that. Guys, I really like this palette because I feel like you can use it for so many different things. Like, it's just one of them palettes where you can't go wrong purchasing it. Just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, let me put this to the side because otherwise I'm going to make a mess. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay shadow box and I'm going to pick up the colour Blackout. I'm going to use the Real Technique brow highlighting brush. It's really good for shadow as well. So I'm just going to pack it on here like that. I'm picking up a bit at a time because this is super pigmented, guys, and I don't really want to. For some reason I have a, like, it seems like it's a wrinkle in my eye, and every time I put eyeshadow on it just doesn't basically go over that wrinkle, if that makes sense. So yeah, let me just do this and see if the wrinkle is covered, because I think because I have dry skin as well, it's kind of hard. Just like that. Drag it a bit in here so it kind of looks meshed together. Guys, I picked this word mesh up from, you know, Kosher Beauty. I hear her use it and I don't know why, it's just a habit now. Whenever I'm doing video, I'm gonna see it. So yeah, so that's done. Now I'm gonna go in my Urban Decay Electric palette. My favorite palette, honestly. Like, I love this. I'm going with the colour Savage, that pink shade. I'm gonna fight with my finger. I only use this because I just put glitter on as well. Like, you don't really need to use this because I know it's kind of camouflaging in with the glitter colour, but I kind of wanted that effect, if that makes sense. I'm going to go back in with that brush and just blend this bit together. Now the next bit is the glitter. I'm using the Collections Gold Glitter in shade 3 Funk. Now I have to be super careful with this because, again, I don't want to get it wrong. So as you can see here, let me put in focus. As you can see, it's like on the lid here and then like a kind of a cut crease. So I'm going to try and create the same effect. Let me just come here. You see here. Just like this. I'm trying to be really careful with it because obviously glitter is quite tricky to use, so you gotta be careful and do it right, then mess it up, if that makes sense. You can always go back and add more, but I just like to create the kind of shape first. Take a bit more because I feel like I haven't covered enough of the lid. Yeah, let me just add this bit. I think it goes this far. I always kind of measure it by my eyeball, if that makes sense. This, I just find it's a lot easier. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm going to kind of thicken this one up a bit. So I'm going to let that dry because I've done that in the past where I looked up and I basically ruined it. So I'm going to put that back in focus. Kind of look down and just let that dry. I really love this glitter, guys, because it's so easy to use. It's just like the perfect glitter, and you don't need any glue, it just dries by itself, so I highly recommend it. I also did put some on underneath, but I'll show you how I did that in a minute. Oh god, this isn't drying. Is it dried? Yeah, I did glitter underneath, just like dots. Let's see if it's dried. No, it hasn't. Just wait a few minutes for it to dry. Also, I'm just going to take the chances out of my face. Yeah, I really love the electric palette, guys. I just feel like it's super pigmented, just the way I like it. So next bit is eyeliner. I'm going to carry on doing the eyeliner whilst that's drying, because I'll get my shape back for that. Over the glitter, guys, I'm going to use different eyeliner. There's a pen just doesn't work. I'm going to take this off so I can fix up my eyeliner from underneath. Got all that makeup on there, guys. And for the glitter part, I'm going to pick up the Rimmel Glamour Eyes. Go over the glitter. Just like that. Well, I am going to do a cat eye, but I'm going to do it with the other one. I was just choosing the Maybelline Hyper Precise, which I'm loving, guys. As you see, guys, I've made a bit of a mistake here, so I'm going to take that off. And now I'm going to go in with the... Where did I put that? Oh, this Rimmel Gel pencil, and just put it in my waterline. Next bit, mascara. I think I smudged a bit of it there, but I'll sort that out. Next bit, lashes. I'm using Ardell Wispies and with the glue. Here it is. Oops. My glue is so sticky all over the stick. I think I'm going to throw these lashes away after using them today. There we are. So that's done. I'm just going to put dots and glitter underneath. Just like that, and I'm going to take off the excess glitter. Orange powder, and this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and do leave any comments and thoughts below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.